Hello everyone, welcome to our video introduction. Today, we will introduce you to the Zebra 105999-701 cleaning kit, a cleaning kit specially designed for Zebra ZXP Series 7 printers. This is the Zebra 105999-701 cleaning kit. This cleaning kit includes 12 print engine cleaning cards and 12 paper feed cleaning cards. These cards are specifically designed to thoroughly clean the inside of your printer, ensuring print quality and extending printer life. With the cleaning kit, you can easily keep your Zebra ZXP Series 7 printer in top working order. Regular cleaning can effectively remove dust and impurities, preventing them from affecting print quality and damaging key printer components. Its manufacturer part number is 105999-701, making it an ideal choice for users of our Zebra ZXP Series 7 printers. Thank you for watching our introductory video. If you have any questions or need further information, please feel free to contact us. Thanks again for watching and have a nice day.